I'm Jamie McDevitt of McDevitt Town & Country Properties. I'm here giving you guys a virtual walkthrough, so even though we're not able to show houses as much as we'd like to during the coronavirus, you can still see them. I'm here at 17 Emerald Lane, which is one of our wonderful houses in Pinehurst. It's very, very close to Lake Pinehurst and just a few minutes to the village. It's listed at only $289,000. It's a 4-bedroom house with all the bedrooms on the first floor, so it's very, very convenient. Let's go take a look. One of the things you'll notice about this beautiful house is all of the lovely gardens. There are gardens in the front and gardens in the back, and I can't wait for you to see them all. Here we are in the entrance of 17 Emerald. One of the beautiful things about this house is the hardwood floors. You'll see them in all of the main living spaces. This great room is quite large, fits oversized furniture, and also has a lovely corner fireplace. It's a gas log fireplace. We also have a formal dining area, which is quite spacious and fits a nice big table. And then we can just turn around right here and go into our guest area. As I mentioned before, this is a 4-bedroom house with all 4 bedrooms on the main floor. So it's wonderful and convenient. You can have all the kids or all your guests over here and have privacy on the other side. It is a split bedroom plan. As you can see, this is one of the bedrooms. This is a king size bed, so your guests would love all the space in here. And then as we head down the hallway, we also have a bath right here with a tub shower. And then right behind is a half bath. Has a beautiful glass block backsplash. Then we go on to our other guest bedroom here. So there's 3 on this side. This is the second one. Again, plenty of space. And then finally we have the 4th bedroom, which they of course use as an office, as most people would, or a playroom. But again, it's really nice that there are 3 bedrooms on this side of the house so your guests can have privacy. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the master side of the house. As we head through the great room and dining room, we go over to the master, as well as the laundry, which has some nice space in it, and that goes out to a 2-car garage. And then we head into our master area, which is kind of unique because it has this big sitting area over here. So again, plenty of space. You could even have a little home office in here, or they have a little gym, but it is really, really nice space. This also has a walk-in closet. And then a very, very nice master bath with tile and 2 separate sinks and a tub. Now we're going to head into the kitchen area. I love this kitchen. It's light and bright. It has beautiful stainless appliances, a real pretty granite, and again, that same really nice glass block backsplash. Plenty of cabinetry too. You also have 2 options here for eating. You have a little breakfast nook here with some built-in cabinetry. Or if you just want to cozy up to the breakfast bar, you can do that here. And then, of course, this heads right back into the great room with your fireplace. One of my favorite things about this house, though, is the outdoor space. So let's go take a look if I can get it open. There we go. We have a very, very nice back wooden deck here. Perfect place for grilling, to sit out and enjoy reading or coffee. And then, as I mentioned before, a beautiful backyard with fabulous plantings. It even has an oversized cactus, which you don't see that much, but it's beautiful. So that's our visit at 17 Emerald. Again, this is priced at $289,000. If you have any other questions, please give me a call at 910-724-4455. Thanks a lot.